Yo, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome back for tuning in for another one. Out here with this torrent again, and I just swapped out my keypad. Took off the old one, the boring one. On the 99 and 2000s, the keypad is wired directly in, so I had to cut it off. But all you do is just all the wires are exactly the same. I got this keypad off of 93. All the wires are exactly the same as the one I took off. Nothing different. You just color match it and you're good to go. This one works. You can't see it right now during the daylight, but the buttons do illuminate. Here we go. Six. So yeah, this Chrome keypad works. Everything functions as normal. And we're doing it. We're doing it over here. Customization going on. Looking good. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, give me that thumbs up. Peace.